Hey all, today in today's video we will discuss about how can we create a custom hook for the storing the previous value for any state. So let me show you how it basically works. So here the current value will represent the current state of any state. So here the current represents a value of current status, and the previous value will represent the previous state for the any state. Okay, so let me increase. Once you click on increase, so as we saw, the current value is 1 become from increasing from 0 to 1, but the previous value is still 0. So if I again increase, then it will store give the previous value, and current value becomes a 2. And same for as we increases, the it always preserve the previous value. Okay, so this scenario is very needful at that time when we need a previous value to compare with the current value, like multiple times in the during form validation we need that. And uh, like if we want to compare the previous value to the current value, is the same or different, if gonna change anything, then we need to implement some logic. So at that scenario, we need to add logic, multiple logic, same logic for the multiple pages. So what we can do, we can create a custom hook and use that custom hook at different levels. Okay, so for implementation, let's go to the VS code. Okay, so before going to the explanation part, we let's look at the structure of our project. So basically, this is the normal structure of ReactJS, and inside that we call components folder, and inside that we create a separate folder for this custom hook named as usePrevious, and there is two files named as usePrevious. And sorry, I think I misspelled the file name. No problem. Okay, so here is the uh, exact logic for that custom hook, and second one is the basically component which we call from the app.js. So what we did from app.js, this is the main parent file. From here we just call use previous component, and inside this we just preview the data what we applied for the this hook, custom hook. So on the screen, as you saw, these things are came from uh, this component, use preview component. Okay, so what we did, basically we call the our custom hook named at use previous. If once we go here, we saw we created a function, and we call, like basically we use a use ref hook which is initially null. So let me refresh the screen. So when we came on this screen, at that time the previous value will be null. Okay, we can initialize is as our according to our requirement. And now we just create a hook use effect, and inside that I just pass the value, like the current value of user, which we pass from that parent from here. Okay, and what it did, on change of value, it just set the reference value, this value to the its reference dot current. Okay, and in the return we just return the reference dot current value. Okay, so let's go to here how it implemented. Basically we just call this use previous, and in the return it just give the previous count. Okay, what it return, ref dot current. Okay, so we just represent here display here the previous count and the current count, and on the button, on every click it just add +1 to the state. Once this state got updated, so the value got changed, and once this value got changed, and the previous value got stored inside this reference dot current, ref dot current, and this reference dot current in we return, so we get a previous value of the state. Okay, so this is how we can basically get the previous values for any state, and we can customize it according to our requirement. I just give the demo for only for the counter. So I hope it will be helpful for you. So thanks for this video.